Hello and welcome to this presentation. You'll be learning how to automatically detail reinforced concrete slab using CADSRC version 2024 and AutoCAD version 2024 as well. And if this is the first time you have come across our video on our channel, so Freezing Academy, consider subscribing to stay connected with us. Let us get started. We'll be navigating to a new environment and then we'll proceed to this card DE. Click right there, click on the drawing setup, and then in the setup utility window we select the standard A3 setup option. Click on the OK. You select the unit right here to be 1:50 as the scale. Click on the OK option. We proceed to set the drawing number. We'll have this to be 001. We can feed in the client provisions architect job title later. We click on the OK option. So now we are going to be drawing reinforced concrete slab of 2 panels. So I click on the polyline, pick the first point. I will turn on my auto to have a straight line. So this dimension is going to be 6,000 millimeters. I enter. Downward, I'll be having 3,000 millimeters. Enter. So in these directions, I'm going to be having 2,000 millimeters. Enter. Then I will be having from here 1,000 millimeters. Enter. And so this way, I'll be having 4,000 millimeters. Enter. And then I will have from here 2,000 millimeters. Enter, just like this, and I can right click and enter to escape from the line. All right, so from here I can do a line and connect this point. So I'm having 2 panels. This is the first panel, this is the second panel. I can proceed to create my column points using this layer. And then I picked on the polyline, or I can use rectangle from here. I key in 225 by 225 and enter. I can select this, use copy option, pick this point and place it at the panel's corner, just like this. Alright, so after which I get rid of this one. Alright, we proceed to the CADSRC tab right here. We will use this option of area detailer. You click on that and it is activated. So we click on the panel lines just like this, and then we have to say no because we wouldn't want to actually provide or make provision for holes. Click on the enter on the keyboard, and then we have to specify the directions and the range for the reinforcement. So we are going to be detailing the vertical reinforcement, so the direction is going to be horizontal. Okay, so I pick the first point from here, I move my hand towards the direction, pick the second point, and this will brought out the area detailer property window. Over here you can be able to select the bar shape from here, but for the sake of this presentation we'll be using 00 bar shape. The multiplier is going to be 1. This is the grade. Size of reinforcement we use 12. The prefix right here we use at, and then the note right here is going to be center to center, and this is going to be a bottom reinforcement. After which click on the OK option from here, and then this will be detailed by bringing up the member window. So here we are detailing slab, so you have to give the member's name as slab D. Okay, you can give it any name as well as description. I click on the OK options. to have the slab detailing being automated just like this in these directions. Okay, so the next directions is going to be the vertical direction, so the horizontal reinforcement will be detailed automatically. I click on the area detailer option, zoom closely. I picked on the panel line. I will type no, I don't want to make provision for holes. Enter on the keyboard. So I can now pick the first point, pick the second point right here, and I have the area detailer property window, all the necessary settings for the reinforcement sizes, the prefix right here, and as well as the note center to center. All right, so this should be a capital or uppercase letter, center to center right here, and then B is for bottom. So these are bottom reinforcement I am detailing. I click on the OK options. So the bottom reinforcement has been detailing in the horizontal directions as well as the vertical direction successfully. So you can see how we have successfully automated this 2 panels reinforced concrete slab detailing. Okay, so now if you want to detail the top reinforcement, what you need to do, navigate to the home tab, use this rectangle, and then you create an area. I want this to be the area I'll be considering for the reinforcement. I click to form it just like this. Then I get back to the CADSRC tab. I use the area detailer, picked it right there. I select on the new area line I've created. I don't want to make provision for O, so I type no and then enter. The directions is going to be from this point all the way to this point for my top reinforcement. So in the area property windows, I'll be using 10 mm diameter reinforcement. The spacing is going to be 150 as well, and then the prefix is going to be at its provisions. I provide a note of center to center, and T is for top reinforcement. I click on the OK options, and that is detailed successfully. As you can see from here, this is the top reinforcement. You can see center to center top. So you can see how to automate reinforced concrete slab detailing using CADSRC version 2024 as well as AutoCAD version 2024. If you want to create the bar bending schedule for this, is as simple as clicking on this provision. With one click, it will show you the bar bending schedule property window. You have to choose the sheet number. So this is sheet number 001. Have it checked. Click on the OK option. And here we go. The bar bending schedule has been created successfully for this our slab detailing. So this is how you can automate the reinforced concrete slab detailing using CADSRC version 2024 and as well as AutoCAD version 2024. If you have any question, we can discuss it in the comment section. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe, like the video to stay connected for more useful content of this kind. For how to install CADSRC plugin, you can reach to us through our contact around our channel for a guide. Have a great day, stay safe, see you in the next presentation. Bye for now.